the HP LaserJet Pro M404 printer. Focus your time where it's most effective growing your business. Winning in business means working smarter. The HP LaserJet Pro M404 printer is designed to let you focus your time where it's most effective, helping to grow your business and staying ahead of the competition. Built to keep you and your business moving forward. Help decrease the amount of paper used in the office by printing on both sides of the page. Grab pages and go without waiting. This device wakes up and prints fast. Print wirelessly even without the network. Stay connected with dual band Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct. Best in class security detect and stop attacks. A suite of embedded security features help protect your printer from being an entry point for attacks. Simply designed to uncomplicate your day. Set up this printer fast and easily manage device settings to help increase overall printing efficiency. Make the most of your office space with a printer that connectivity fits into your work style. Work without delays or messes with cartridges featuring auto seal removal. Sustainability is smart business. Avoid frustrating reprints, wasted supplies, and service calls using original HP toner cartridges. Help save paper right out of the box. The duplex print setting is set at default paper saving mode. Saves up to 18% energy over prior products. In this printer, 2-line LCD control panel, 150 sheet output bin, front door lease button, front door access to HP EcoSmart Black Toner cartridges, automatic 2-side printing, 250 sheet input tray to sports media size up to 216 by 356 mm. 100 sheet multi-purpose tray, 1 sports media size up to 216 by 356 mm. High speed USB 2.0 port, USB port for job storage and pin printing, Gigabyte Ethernet LAN port. The printer speed is up to 38 pages per minute. If you use HP 58A black cartridge, its print capacity is 3000 pages. If you use HP 58X cartridge, its printer capacity is 10,000 pages.